We at the Adrenaline Mountain. We finna shoot some guns, shoot some flamethrowers.
It's cool. The green's too close for this guy. You ready? I like to dump it, but however you want to go. Weapon's hot. Let it rip.
Woo!
It's cool. Flamethrower in 3, 2, 1, go.
Woo! That was raw.
A little spicy?
Yeah.
Yep. All the way back. Let it go. All right, you ready?
Yep.
L2! Go for
it. Until you're ready to shoot. 2 hands on the weapon at all times, and don't hit that button right there. It drops the magazine, okay?
Okay.
You got 10 shots and you're aiming for the green.
This one's very simple.
You got jammed up, hold on.
Where's the exploding target?
Can you see those pink bags on the ground halfway down range?
Yeah.
Those will explode.
Okay.
So we're going for anything orange or those bags. Yeah. You get one of those bags. If you hit it on your first shot, we're going for orange, but you get 5 shots to hit one of those bags, basically.
All right.
Okay? And you're gonna pick it up and you're gonna pull it into your shoulder, okay? You
Like
want
this?
0 wiggle room back here, otherwise it's gonna hurt you.
So like this, right?
Yep, that looks good. Your face is gonna be down here. You're shooting at the hood of that car over there, and only the hood of that car.
The pink thing?
Big pinkish orange thing. You'll see it a lot better through here. You let me know when you see that, and we'll go hot.
I see it.
You see it?
Yeah.
Here, with this hand, grab the charging handle, back, and then let go.
Big stupid ass monster truck. We're at the lion habitat. This is Harry.
This is Harry, yeah, he's George's brother. George is our largest male lion. Harry's a small guy. He's about 380-ish, I believe. George is 400.
How tall is George?
They're both around the same height. They're just under 8 feet. This bar up here, right below his paw is 8 feet. He could reach it easily if he stood straight up, but he's kind of leaning against here.
Riding in the SRT thing. They finna take me on a drift around this track. motherfucker.